1. Ever lost your keys, wallet, or backpack? Say hello to peace of mind with the incredible Apple AirTag. 2. This isn't just any tracker. It's a revolutionary device that uses Apple's ecosystem to locate your belongings with unparalleled precision. 3. The standout feature is precision finding with ultra-wideband, guiding you directly to your lost item with visual, haptic, and audible cues right on your iPhone. 4. Forget aimless searching. This makes the AirTag the best Bluetooth tracker for anyone wanting real-time, exact location data. 5. Setting up your new AirTag 4-pack is incredibly simple, requiring just one tap setup with iPhone to instantly connect and appear in your Find My app. 6. You'll be ready to track your essentials in mere seconds. Find the link to grab yours on Amazon in the description below. 7. Life happens, and the AirTag is ready for it, boasting IP67 water and dust resistance to withstand splashes and spills. 8. It's perfect for everything from luggage and pet collars to keeping track of kids' school bags, truly making it a versatile and best electronics 2025 contender. 9. If you're an iPhone user seeking the ultimate solution for never losing track of your valuable items again, this Apple AirTag review confirms its essential status. 10. Stop worrying and start finding. Click the Amazon link now to secure your own Apple AirTag 4-pack and enjoy instant peace of mind.